Hello student, today I am going to discuss about the examples on Jacobians. So the next example will be if u is equal to 1 minus x, v is equal to x into the bracket 1 minus y, w is equal to xy into 1 minus z, then find Jacobian of u, v, w with respect to x, y, z. Already we know the definition, that is Jacobian of u, v, w with respect to x, y, z can be written as determinant of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, and second row can be written as dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z, and the third row will be dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, dou w by dou z. So the given terms are u is equal to 1 minus x, and v will be x into 1 minus y. This term can be written as x minus xy, and w will be xy into 1 minus z. So again this term can be written as xy minus xyz. So now we have to differentiate the given function u, v, w with respect to x, y, z. So we have to differentiate the term u partially with respect to x, y, z, then we get dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou u by dou z. And similarly v partially with respect to x, y, z means again we get the dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, and dou v by dou z. And the function w, differentiate the function w with respect to x, y, z, again we get the terms dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, and dou w by dou z. So now differentiate the u term partially with respect to x, y, z, then we get dou u by dou x is equal to differentiation of u partially with respect to x. So we have value as minus 1, and dou u by dou y, here there is no y term, so its differentiation will be 0, and dou u by dou z, again it is also 0 because no z term. So again we have to differentiate the v term partially with respect to x, y, z. So dou v by dou x, first term will be 1, and minus of, here we treat the term y as a constant, and differentiation of x will be 1. So again here we have 1 minus y. Next dou v by dou y, differentiate v term partially with respect to y. So it is first term containing x, so it is 0, minus second term will be minus xy, minus x as it is, and differentiation of y will be 1, so we have minus x. Then dou v by dou z, there is no z term, it means its partial differentiation will be 0. Again dou w by dou x, value is y minus yz, and dou w by dou y, is x minus xz. Dou w by dou z, means first term will be 0 and second term will be minus xy. So put these all values in the definition of Jacobian of u, v, w with respect to x, y, z. So Jacobian of u, v, w with respect to x, y, z is equal to, this determinant becomes dou u by dou x is minus 1, dou u by dou y is 0, dou u by dou z is 0, and dou v by dou x value is 1 minus y, dou v by dou y is minus x, dou v by dou z is 0. Then next will be dou w by dou x. Dou w by dou x means it is y minus yz. Dou w by dou y is x minus xz, and dou w by dou z is minus xy. So here the first row containing one element as 1 and 0 0, so we can leave the first row and first column, so the determinant becomes minus x 0, x minus xz minus xy. So now cross multiply, then we have minus into minus becomes plus, x into xy is x square y, and the second term will be minus of 0 into x minus z means it is 0. So the Jacobian of u v w with respect to xy value is x square y. Because here we have 1 0 0, then we eliminate the first row and first column, but in case of the first row containing minus 1 term, so we have to make this first row as positive 1, so multiply minus on both the sides, so or take minus 1 common, then this first row becomes 1 0 0, and now we eliminate first row and first column, then the terms becomes minus x 0, x minus xz and minus xy, so it will be x square y minus 0, so this term value will be minus x square y. So now solve the second example. So the next example will be u is equal to y square divided by 2x and v is equal to x square plus y square divided by 2x, then find Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. Solution is given u is equal to y square divided by 2x, v is equal to x square plus y square divided by 2x. So Jacobian of uv with respect to xy can be defined as determinant of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y. Second row will be dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. So now differentiate the u term partially with respect to x and y. Similarly we differentiate partially with respect to x y. So dou u by dou x becomes, dou u by dou x means here y square by 2 is constant, keep outside, and differentiation of 1 upon x. 1 upon x will be minus 1 upon x square. So it will be minus y square divided by 2x square. So similarly find dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y value is differentiate y term with respect to y. So 1 upon 2x is constant term, and differentiation of y square will be 2y. The term 2 get cancelled, so we have y upon x. Then find the dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x is equal to, first term is x square, differentiation of x square will be 2x, and plus y square by 2 is constant, and again differentiation of 1 upon x will 1 upon x becomes minus 1 upon x square. So further simplification, it will be 2x minus y square divided by 2x square, and dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y means the first term will be containing x term, so its differentiation will be 0 because the term x can be treated as constant, and plus 1 upon 2x is constant term, keep as it is, and differentiation of y square will be y. So the term 2 to get cancelled. So we have dou v by dou y as y upon x. So now Jacobian of uv with respect to xy is equal to, substitute all these values in the determinant, then dou u by dou x is minus y square divided by 2x square. Dou u by dou y value is y by x, and dou v by dou x value is 2x minus y square divided by 2x square, and dou v by dou y value is y by x. So it is 2 cross 2. So cross multiply the terms, then it is minus y cube divided by 2x cube and minus of these two terms. So it is the term x get cancelled, simply we have 2y and minus of y cube divided by minus into minus becomes plus, because it will be minus of this term, minus of y by x into 2x minus y square divided by 2x square. So it becomes y by x minus y square by 2x square as y cube divided by 2x cube. So the term minus y cube divided by 2x cube and plus y cube divided by 2x cube get cancelled. So the remaining value will be minus 2y. This is the Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. So next example, if u is equal to y square divided by 2x, v is equal to x square plus y square whole divided by 2x, find Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. So again we define the Jacobian of uv with respect to xy can be defined as, it is dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. So now differentiate u and v terms partially with respect to x and y, then we get dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y. So dou u by dou x means it is y square divided by 2, and differentiation of 1 upon x square becomes minus 1 upon x square. So its value will be minus y square divided by 2x square. And dou u by dou y is different, 1 upon 2x is constant term, and differentiation of y square will be 2y. So it is the term 2 to get cancelled, so we have y divided by x. Similarly, dou v by dou x means again differentiate partially with respect to x. So now it is of the form u by v, differentiation of u by v form. So the denominator term can be considered as v and numerator term can be considered as u. So differentiation of u by v can be written as 2x whole square, that is 4x square, and keep the term 2x as it is, and differentiation of x square plus y square with respect to x is 2x, and minus of, keep the term x square plus y square as it is, and differentiation of 2x will be 2. So further simplification, it becomes 4x square minus 2x square. 4x square minus 2x square means it is 2x square, and minus 2y square whole divided by 4x square. Or this term can be written as dou v by dou x is equal to dou v by dou x, the term 2 is common, so it is x square minus y square divided by, term 2 is common, so 2 ones are 2 2s are 4, that is x square minus y square divided by 2x square. So now find the dou v by dou y value. Dou v by dou y is equal to 1 upon 2x can be treated as constant term, and differentiation of x square plus y square. Differentiation of x square plus y square with respect to y can be written as 2y, because first term is x square, so its differentiation with respect to y means it is 0, and differentiation of y square means it is 2y. So again further simplification, it is 2 get cancelled, so we have dou v by dou y as y by x. So now determinant become, that is Jacobian of uv with respect to x y is equal to dou u by dou x value is minus y square divided by 2x square, and dou u by dou y value is y divided by x, and dou u by dou x value is x square minus y square divided by 2x square, and dou v by dou y value is y by x. So further simplification, it becomes minus y square divided by 2x square into y by x means it is y cube minus y cube divided by 2x cube, and minus of y by x into x square minus y square divided by 2x square. So again further simplification, we have minus y cube divided by 2x cube minus of y x square divided by 2x cube minus into minus plus y cube divided by 2x cube. So plus y cube divided by 2x cube minus y cube divided by 2x cube get cancelled, so we have the term x square get cancelled, so we have minus y divided by 2x. This is the solution of Jacobian of uv with respect to x, y.